I've had the pleasure of working with HITS Solutions for almost 15 years now. I've watched them grow from a very small company with lots of big ambitions to probably one of the most influential technology companies in the field of human resource management and people-related solutions.
I'm personally considering HITS as one of the most important partners for Microsoft Egypt. Not only on the technology part, but the most important thing is to have a real partner who deliver a real value for our customers. I'm really proud of being part of such a great team. Working closely with HITS, it gave me a great pleasure that we have a real calipers in Egypt that can really drive a state-of-the-art application to the entire world, especially when this application touches people, which is human resources.
A number of things impressed me about HITS. Their commitment to quality, their customer focus. They certainly have been a fantastic partner in terms of alignment and in terms of working together. Their investment in their own people and making sure that their people can really execute at the highest level. I would say they're one of the companies that represent the best of both worlds. International standards and a very, very strong local and regional flavor.
HITS is one of the most successful partners for Microsoft Egypt. They have really gone into the journey of the cloud, and they now have one of the most comprehensive solutions, HR solutions on the cloud, which makes them very unique in this area. They started with their customers being from the global accounts and the multinational accounts, and now moving their applications to the cloud opened up for them a new set of customers from corporate accounts to small and medium ones, which is one of the most growing businesses worldwide, so it's a huge opportunity in this area.
I recall once we started the Egyptian Taxation Authority implementation, it's a huge one. It's a 60,000 user within a government entity covering entire Egypt. We really got an impressive feedback from our customer, especially that the Egyptian Taxation Authority, they were not used to have such a state-of-the-art HR application, and to have a success implementation in such a huge government entity was really a pleasure for me. One more example of having a real impact on our country. After the Egyptian Revolution, we started with HITS to convince the Egyptian Ambulance Authority to have a state-of-the-art full automated solution based on implementing fleet management, HR application, ERP system, and to have an integration between the entire systems in order to increase and improve the quality of the services. After implementing the HR application, with the integration with the fleet management for 17,000 employees, the Egyptian Ambulance Authority they got reward for the second place in the Middle East and Africa as the best medical authority that provides services. And the real impact, we found the real impact within the Egyptian Revolution, and the ambulance services was one of the most important services, government services within such challenging time.
What I find most exciting going forward is the way they look at technology and how they incorporate it into their own solutions. Their commitment to the cloud and their alignment with Microsoft on a number of new technologies and solutions like the Microsoft Dynamics line, and the way they treat information workers in an enterprise is very special.
They've always been on the latest technologies from the Microsoft side, using Windows Azure, using the latest technologies of Windows servers, of SQL, as well as Office 365 integration and the latest SharePoint technologies.
HITS has been always a leader in implementing new technologies and adopting new features, like transparent data encryption for the security for the employees' information, like the report subscriptions for the alerting and for the pay slips and all the HR-related stuff. In addition to their industry knowledge in the HR, one of the very strongest partners against competition that we use in HR systems.
HITS has been my partner for the last 5 years. And when I talk about HITS, I talk about a very flexible partner into responding into Microsoft directions and technologies.
The one and the most specific criteria for being unique is the ease of use of the application itself. So HIT's user interface is very intuitive. It is very easy and very human talking. So easy to use by everybody from all cultures, talking from Asia Pacific to Europe to Middle East and Africa to even America and the Americas and Canada. Which makes it really touching to the human side. And at the same time, you can put very unique rules that are very specific to the company and to the country that makes the application customizable for each culture and each country.
When I talk about HITS, I talk about a very diversified customer base. We talk big enterprises, we talk public sector, we talk SMBs as well.
I look forward to congratulating HIT Solutions to reaching 1 million professionals who would be on their systems hopefully in the very near future.
Humanizing technology is what they do, and the best in class is what we receive from them.